don't mind me, I just have a little monkey problem, that's all. What's up? My name is not McHorse, and in today's video we will be going over the new things added in Aperture 1.3.4. As soon as I can figure out a way down. To start off, a new ability was added to both look and follow modifiers. Instead of tracking just one entity, both modifiers can now track multiple entities and calculate the midpoint. Just type in the entity selector and the entity ID. Furthermore, you can now track entities by name tag instead of entity ID. When not selecting any fixtures, or by pressing D, you can access the Global Modifiers menu. Using any modifiers within this menu will affect every fixture in the timeline. It's a pretty handy tool to speed up the workflow. Plus, copy and paste was added to modifiers in this update. Who can say no to that? Finally, scrubbing and pausing within the timeline should be much smoother compared to previous versions. There used to be a flick when pausing in the camera editor, and going through sync mode was a tad bumpy. This update should fix it. That's all the major changes added in the 1.3.4 update. If you'd like to see the full list of things changed, or have a question about Aperture, the links to both the changelog and McHorse's Discord is in the description below. That said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and goodbye!